Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Live long, Sheila. May you live long, Sheila. May you live long, may you live long, may you live long, Sheila. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Amen. Amen.
Wish muna tayo.
Hmm.
Bago siya mag-wish.
Wish you Merry Christmas and
And a Happy New Year.
Year.
I wish you pass the exam, the board
Amen.
exam, and you're no longer young, anak, so I wish you a God-fearing partner in life in future.
Hmm.
That you may experience the love of God in a family you will be.
Kunin mo tama mo.
About you, Dad.
Yes.
Wish kay Sheila is of course number 1, makapasa siya sa board exam. Yun ang wish natin. And after pumasa, di pwede nang mag-asawa.
Si ate.
Okay. So that is my wish. Ano ni Angel?
Yung wish ko sa'yo is makakama mo na yung boards. Yung boards mo tapos yun, sana bigyan ko ng knowledge yung yun. Sana mapasa mo din after mo maging successful yung career mo sa future. Thank you so much.